Let's start. First one, log of 23/34. Apply the logarithm. Log of x by y equal to log x minus log y. Now log of 23/34 equal to log 23 minus log of 34. Second, 373/275. Same formula. Log of 373/275, that is equal to log of 373 minus log of 275. Now log of 4325/3734, that is equal to log of 4325 minus log of 3734. Fourth one. So now log of 5055 by 3303, that is log of 5055 minus log of 3303.